Another day, another story. We'll look at several essential variables to help you choose the best ways to make money online. Business type, whether the idea is product-based, service-based, or audience-driven. Effort, the amount of time, talent, or expertise required to implement the idea. Leverage is your ability to turn an idea into a money-making one that grows in value without requiring your direct attention. A high-leverage proposal is not a one-to-one time for money exchange. Startup costs, the money you'll need to get your project off the ground. Profit potential, the amount of money you may expect to make from your idea each year. 1. Online selling. Selling items online is one of the top money-making options for quick income. You can, for example, sell clothes, furniture, and purses from your home, or you can acquire and resell higher value things such as laptops, televisions, or phones. You may purchase these items online through sites such as AliExpress or at local garage sales and thrift stores, a terrific way to make money quickly and earn extra income. Instead of just one platform or marketplace, try selling your stuff on others. The more locations your products are found, the more probable it is that customers will find them. There are hundreds of online selling platforms, each with its own specialization and commission rates. Here are a few examples. eBay. Marketplace on Facebook. Verge Sale. Libre Mercado. Your own internet store. If you enjoy this procedure, you can launch a respectable reseller business selling everything from vintage apparel to refurbished equipment. Time to launch, a few hours. Startup effort, medium. Time to first payment, varies according to the marketplace where you sell your stuff. What you should know. The more places your things are sold, the more probable customers will find them. There are hundreds of online selling sites, each with its own unique specialization. Every marketplace has its own set of regulations and costs. Before you join up for a marketplace, make sure you understand them. Requirements. Products to sell. To sell in a marketplace, you may need to register an account and be validated.